Let's create one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. In this video, you'll learn to use the pipe, extrude, circular pattern, and combine. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the front plane and create this sketch. And here will be the midpoint. It is a symmetrical part, so this side here is equal this side here, okay? And the first thing that we make, we created a center arc here. The radius of this arc is 150 plus 100 millimeters over 2. It is 125 millimeters of radius. And this point here is horizontal with this point, and this point here is vertical with this point, okay? So open the Fusion, go to create a sketch and select the front plane. And here, select the arc, 3-point arc, click here in this point, make an arc here. Okay, and go to constraint, select horizontal, vertical, select this point and this point, select this point and the center point here. And go to sketch dimension. The radius here is 125. Okay, and now finish the sketch. We will create this pipe here. So the diameter of this pipe is 50 millimeters, the external diameter, and the inside is 45 millimeters of diameter. So the thickness here is 2.5 millimeters of thickness, okay? So go to create, select pipe. The path, select this sketch here. The section size 125 and 50 millimeters, and active the hollow here, and the thickness here is 2.5 millimeters. Operation new body and press OK. We made this, okay? Just to check the dimension, the diameter here is 50 millimeters and the inside diameter here 45 millimeters. Okay, let me show the inside here. Okay, and now we will create this flange here. So to create this flange, go to create a sketch and select this face here. And here, go to create, select the project included, project, select the internal circle here and press OK. And now we will create a center line here with 130 millimeters of length. So select line, a construction line, make a construction line here with 130 millimeters of length, and go to constraints, select the midpoint, select this line and this point here, okay? And now we will create these two circles with 15 millimeters of diameter. So select the circle, click here in this point, remove the construction line type, 15 millimeters of diameter, and create another one here with the same dimension. And now we will create this sketch here. So to create this, select line, click here, make a line here. When you click here, hold the left button to create an arc, okay? Make an arc here, create a line here, an arc here, a line, an arc, another line, and an arc here. And go to constraints, select concentric, select this arc and this circle, this arc and this circle, and select this arc and this circle here, this arc and this circle, okay? Go to constraints and select tangent. Make sure that the lines are tangent with the arcs, okay? So select the arc and the line. When you see the symbol, it means that the line is tangent with the arc, okay? And go to constraint, select equal, select this arc and this one, this arc and this one. Okay, and now the radius here, 15 millimeters of radius, and the radius here is 35 millimeters of radius. So go to sketch dimension, select this arc here, 35 millimeters, and here 15 millimeters. Okay, we made this profile. So finish the sketch. And here go to extrude. We need to extrude this 10 millimeters. So select this profile. Make sure to select this face here. 10 millimeters of distance. Operation join and press OK. We made this one. And now to create the other side, we will go to circular pattern. The object type, select the body. Select this body here. The axis, select this line here. This axis. The quantity here is 2. And press OK. We made this one. We have 2 bodies here, so go to combine, select the body 1, the target body, and the 2 bodies, select the body 2. The operation join and press OK. We made this one. And just to check dimension here, the distance between this face and this face here is 250 millimeters. So go to measure, select this face and this face here. The distance 250 millimeters. So that's it. Here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.